Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Steve Cross, mechanical and technical engineer, and I'm here with Daniela Gregova, a sales engineer. Today I'm going to ask some questions about roller screw linear actuators in partnership with Tolomatic. Let's start. What makes roller screw linear actuators ideal for high force and heavy duty applications?
Roller screw actuators are designed for precision, longevity and low maintenance. They use precision ground planetary roller screws which provide more contact points than traditional ball screws, enabling higher load capacity and longer life. Their case-hardened construction ensures exceptional durability even in repetitive and demanding tasks.
Okay, so how does roller screw technology compare to, say, ball screw technology?
Roller screws outperform ball screws in several critical ways, one being loadability. They handle higher forces due to multiple contact points. Also, they have a longer operational life, especially in heavy-duty applications. Lastly, roller screws are more resistant to wear and tear, while ball screws are more efficient at heat management and suitable for moderate duty cycles. They fall short in high-load environments where roller screws excel.
Okay, and what types of screw technologies are available, and how do I choose the right one?
We offer three primary screw technologies, one being planetary roller screw. This is best for high-force, heavy-duty applications due to their load ratings and lifespan. Then there are inverted roller screws, which provide a compact design for space-constrained applications. And lastly, there are ball screws. They are ideal for moderate-duty applications, offering a balance of efficiency and reliability, but with lower force capabilities compared to roller screws. The choice depends on your application, force requirements, duty cycle, and space constraints.
Okay, and why is Tolomatic a trusted name in actuator technology?
Tolomatic combines innovative design with industry-leading quality. We offer a wide range of actuator solutions, including electric, ball screw, roller screw, and hygienic designs, all tailored to meet specific application needs. Our roller screw actuators are case-hardened for deep surface strength, ensuring unmatched performance in even the most challenging environments.
Okay, and what sort of applications are ideal for the Tolomatic roller screw linear actuators?
These actuators excel in high-force automation systems, heavy-duty industrial machinery, robotics requiring precision and durability. Also, applications transitioning from hydraulic systems to cleaner, more efficient electrical solutions. You can learn more about this in the video coming up on the screen now.
And what are the key takeaways for upgrading to roller screw linear actuators?
By upgrading to roller screw technology, you'll achieve high precision and control in demanding tasks, longer promotional lifespan, and reduced maintenance costs. It will also improve efficiency over traditional hydraulic or ball screw systems.
Well, thank you, Daniela, for that overview. If you are interested in learning more about this product, please contact us with the information on screen or the description.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay in the loop with all of our videos.
Thanks for watching.